Okay, example 2, I'm going to use column multiplication this time. This is another technique that still requires us to multiply everything on the first times everything on the second. And what I'm going to do for column multiplication is I'm going to rewrite it. So if that's in my book, if I want to use this technique, it's going to look like this. 4x plus 2 times x minus 5. And you see here that I've got it written like that to kind of highlight what's going on here. You think of this as two-digit number multiplication. Like, for example, if I was doing 67 times 23, something like that, regular column multiplication. If I did this like I did in like 5th grade, I take this 3 times this 7 and this 6, and I take the 2 times this 7 and this 6, and so on. That's all that's going to happen here. Think of this as like digit 1, digit 2, digit 1, digit 2. First, I take negative 5 times positive 2 is going to be negative 10. Slight difference here, instead of writing 0, carry the 1, I'm just going to get what I get. So 2 and negative 5 make negative 10. 5 and negative 4x make negative 20x. I misspoke there. Negative 5 and positive 4x give you negative 20x. But again, a negative times a positive makes a negative. And then I'm going to multiply x times 2, which makes positive 2x. And notice plus 2x, I'm putting it here because like terms are lining up. It's also going just underneath the x like what happened over here. So this is 1, carry the 2. 18 plus 2 is 20. When I multiply this 2, 14, the 4 goes underneath the 2. Carry the 1s, 12 and 1 make 13, like so. All right? So same deal happens here. I'm multiplying x times this. I'm going to put the answer underneath the x, and like terms line up when I do that. Positive x and positive 4x make positive 4x squared. You can put a plus in front of that if you want. The first term doesn't have to have a sign in front of it if it's positive. And then it's just a matter of, again, combining like terms. The like terms line up pretty nicely in this, so it's just a matter of going down each column. Nothing happens to 4x squared. These are opposite signed objects, so I subtract. 20 is bigger, so it's negative. And then minus 10 gives me my product.